Hello guys! Welcome to another video. And today, nandito tayo sa Clark International Speedway para sa isang araw ng Mazda Fan Fest PH. This is sponsored by Shell. And yung mga clubs ng Mazda like Club Mazda PH, Miata Club, BT50 Club. We also have Mazda Tech. I think Mazda 6 Sky Active Club. Mazda Sky Active Club. And marami pa. Actually, nandun na sila lahat sa loob. Medyo nalate tayo ng dating. Pero tara, samahan nyo na lang ako. Tingnan natin. Sobrang exciting tong araw na to. And let's enjoy this day. Let's see what will happen.
Team Impossible games, of course, Sir Steve Tan, our president, also done by Kobe Sai.
Start na ng track experience. So basically, dadali mo yung sasakyan mo dun sa track. And 40 to 60 yung takbo. So sabi dun sa orientation kanina, hindi ka pwedeng mag-overtake. That's one. And number two, dapat talaga control 40 to 60. Literally, i-experience mo lang yung track. So, ayun, unti-unti na kumukuha ng mga sasakyan. Although registered din ako, kaso medyo nagdadalawang isip ako doon sa sasakyan eh. So, mas mabuti ng safe tayo para makauwi rin. Pero yung iba natin kasama sa CMPH, ayan, magana sila, magta-track sila. Abangan na lang natin, tingnan natin kung sino-sino yung mga papasok. Grabe, kanina sabi 40 to 60. Ngayon parang wala na yata speed limit, pero I think hindi pa rin pwede yata mag-overtake kasi delikado talaga. Syempre hindi naman mga professionals na mga race car na drivers, no. So ayun, enjoy lang, mabilisan lang. Dito talaga yung yung area kung saan ka pwede talagang magmadali. Tingnan natin later kung makakahiram tayo ng sasakyan. Matry man lang yung yung track kasi first time namin dito sa Clark International Speedway. Dati nagpunta kami sa BRC sa may Batangas Racing Circuit. Na-try ko rin sa Tarlac yung naman yung motor. Pero dito never pa. Pero sabi nung ibang mga naka-experience dito, compared dun sa dalawa, pinakamaganda daw dito yung yung mismong track. Pati yung yung mismong daanan. Kasi sa Tarlac Tarlac Racing Circuit kasi medyo bumpy yung road. Sa BRC kaunti lang, pero mas maayos sa BRC. Pero dito hindi ko pa natatry. So tingnan natin kung makakaroon tayo ng sakyan. Sana, fingers crossed. So nakahiram nga tayo at ito ang nangyari.
Racers for the
After the track experience, eto mo naman na kami pahinga. Nakakahilo, kaya pa? Nahilo daw siya. Ayaw niya daw muna kumain na suka, susuka, hindi pala na suka. So inumin muna tayo at may mga food trucks naman dito. Eto, pakita ko sa inyo. Meron tayong Sir Chef dito, Sir Chef. We have cheeseburger, Hungarian sandwich, sisig wrap, ayan, sausages. They also have lechon sisig rice, ayan no. Ano sila? They also accept GCash payment. Ayan, Sir Chef. Meron din tayo dito ng mga cafe. Shell Cafe, ayan. So of course, they have iced coffees and ayan, mga brewed. And of course, we also have juices. And may mga juice dito. And then, ayan, mga turo-turo, tusok-tusok. We also have it in here.
You pull it, and your tail
And
goes
of course,
sideways, depending on the orientation of your steering wheel.
another coffee, also coffee, and then Bosan coffee.
From going shifting from
Ayan
left to
sila.
right, and you take those turns.
Cookies, merch. So yan. So you can follow them on Instagram at DecimalPH. Try to check it out. And dito sila. They have Madam, pahiram po Ayan, pakita lang natin. This is their menu. So they have mocha, Spanish latte, yuzu black, cubano, orange mocha, sangria. And then these are the prices. Ayan. Hindi natin nasama, meron pa pala dito. Ayan. Welcome to the Mazda Fest Ramen Party. Ayan. They also have ramen, food truck, private events. Ayan. So you can also have ramen. Ito, isa pang racer. Hey guys, so second session or second sector na ng track experience, and now may mga representatives per club. So meron tayo, actually dito kami sa taas. Ayan, dito kami sa taas. Dito sila, yan. Meron mga nandun. That's an RX-7 na metallic green. Meron pa isa pa yun, yung dilaw. Ayun, that's an RX-7 again. FD3S na yellow naman. And there's another one that is red. Pero dito sa mga paales, may representative tayo. Ayun, si Sir Ray. Color white, pangatlo. And then kay Sir Robert Chan. Ayan, yung kulay pula naman. President and Vice President ng Club Mazda Philippines. So, ayun, hindi na kami sumama. Kanina pinipili daw ayoko. Pero hindi na kami sumama, sila na lang. And ayun, enjoy na lang natin kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa second section or second sector of the track experience. Habang naghihintay, may binili kaming sisig wrap. Ayan. Ayan, sisig wrap from, Sir Chef? Yata. No? yung isang food cart na nandun. Kamusta?
Good.
Sarap? How was the taste of the sisig? Spicy? Hindi. Hindi man, sakto lang.
Hindi. Hindi talaga spicy.
Hindi siya ganun ka-spicy. And then the sauce. Good. Ayan, si Mr. Sisig nang nag-approve ng sisig wrap. Na malamang magpapagawa na naman to sa sisig wrap sa bahay. Yari tayo dyan.
Take a look at Tyson C and Mikey Jordan.
Ito yung kasama ni Sir. Ayan nasa likod.
CEO and was actually hands-on.
Thank you. Etong Miyata na to, this is one of a kind. This is the 30th anniversary Miyata.
This feels the pressure from Tyson C.
And then you will see dun sa may tires, meron nakalagay 30th anniversary. Hindi lang natin malapit na kasi maalis na rin sila. Kaya maganda yung iba yung niya, iba yung style niya. And yun, nakita nyo naman kung paano umangat yung yung roof. I think that's on Miyata RF, if I'm not mistaken. Uwian time na. So it's the end of the event. Actually nag-awarding na lang sila sa likod. And there's going to be a parade, Mazda car parade, parang sunset parade. So lahat ng models ng Mazda will be included din sa parade. Hindi na namin hinintay kasi medyo matagal-tagal pa yon. So ayun, it's a very eventful Saturday for us. Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Yeah.
Yes. Anong pinaka nagustuhan mo, na-enjoyan mo bukod dun sa sa sisig wrap? yung yung simulator, racing simulator. Ano yung pinaka unforgettable experience?
Pinaka unforgettable. Yung nakita ko yung yellow na RX-7.
Yellow na RX-7 katulad nung kay Keisuke.
Yeah.
So yun yung talagang pagdating pa lang namin, halos kasabayan kasi namin dumating yun. Kita namin yung yellow na RX-7 FD3S. I think 93 model yon, 93, 91, parang ganun. Dalawa, isang yellow, isang metallic green, and a red RX-8. So yung paano yung yung experience dun sa sa track?
Nakakahilo.
Nakakahilo. After 2 laps ng track, ayun, nahilo daw siya. So anyway, ayun, again, it's a very eventful Saturday for us. Thank you Mazda Philippines for having this event every year. Actually, every year nga siya.
Thank you.
And inviting all the clubs tulad ng CMPH, Club Mazda Philippines, Mazda Tech, what else, CX-5, Miyata, and everyone else. So, ayun, kakahingal. So, ayun, dito na kami. Palabas na kami ng Clark International Speedway. And uwian na. So, until next video. And siguro balik tayo sa mga food reviews. I'm not sure. Baka may mga pupuntahan pa rin naman mga tayo. So, oops, wait lang. So thank you for watching this video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.